Good morning, afternoon, and evening, whatever time you're watching this. I'm going to solve another problem today, which is this is a temporarily solved. This is not a full solve because you can't do anything because the problem is like this. You suddenly cannot type Chinese. The keyboard is not functioning after even you add it in the language keyboard. You add it here. It's simply not functioning. It will be just missing. But this happened after I upgrade. I'm format my computer to Windows 11 and then 11 Pro. So it's not single language. Even single language is to be able to type. But once I update, it's functioning well. The Chinese language typing is fine, very smooth. But until somehow it got a window pop out and update. Normally you need to make sure your computer is safe. Always update, right? So after update, the Chinese language is gone. I can't use it anymore. Well, then I have struggling for a day because I still need to type Chinese with some clients and friends. And then okay, I have no choice and try to install Sogo Pinyin. This is another outside third-party software. Well, you got see now. You seem that they are here, but actually it's not working. You can't use it. The original Chinese, you can't click it. You see, you click it, it's gone. It's not going to go to the language. Even you go to other like Singapore and English, cannot go. And then you only English and only this one is still can go to Chinese. Okay, to go to Chinese language. Okay, this is how the problem here. Because why I should confirm, because I roll back my computer purposely and then upgrade. It worked, and then I upgrade and again it's not working. So I'm pretty sure it's not our problem. If you're facing the same problem, is thinking what happened to our computers. Our computer do not have any problems. This function is you not install any trouble, bro. Is the bugs from the updated patch. If you're still able to type it, and this is the most important part for you, you should not upgrade it. But if you found this video, mean you're already facing this. So what we can do is waiting for the next patch or update to fix it. Well, before that, you still need, right? What you can do is you do like this. You remove the thing, remove the original one, then install the third-party app like Sogo Pinyin. After you remove, then you only install. After install, then restart the computer. Then you will still have option to use this Chinese language from third-party apps. But I use Sogo for many years already. I just recently try not to use it. So well, it's still functioning. At least it's temporary fix. Okay, I hope Microsoft come out the patch faster to fix it, so I don't have to use a third-party software. And I'm not sure all this third-party software is safe or not, because it automatic change. Sometime last time it automatic changed the skin. I have never changed it. I always use the simplest one, but it automatic change. I suspect might get hacked before that. And the hacker showing me on my screen last day, he able to tell me my password. That's why I reformat my computer, more careful on the apps, and more looking at the sandbox stuff, yeah, to test out whatever apps. If you want to know about sandbox, you can ask me in future, the next video, or you don't have to ask me. I just make if I found that it helped. Okay, this video today. If you think this helped, give me a thumb up. Thank you. Bye.